Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. Let's see what's coming up, guys, for your daily energies, career situation and relationship. I'll be picking few cards, guys. So first for your daily energies. Before we start the reading, Sagittarius, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and joy in our lives, guys. So these are the cards for your career situation and relationship, guys, and these are for your daily energies. So let's start with the daily energies, guys. Sagittarius, cross, tree and moon. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you have a lot of burdens on your shoulders, guys, lots of responsibilities that you need to take care of. So you are trying your level best, trying to find that right way to do your work, right way to be in this connection. So you have many responsibilities and burdens on your shoulders, and maybe for some of you, you are turning to some kind of a faith or belief. You are finding comfort in that belief, finding shelter in that belief, and also the way things are proceeding. Maybe it may be karma. You see that as a fated circumstance. So in your life, something in your career or something in your relationship, how things are going, maybe something that is not in your control, you feel that it is destiny, that is the reason for a circumstance going in that way, guys. And I also see that in this connection or in your life today, you are trying to build that strong foundation in this connection or in your work situation. You want to build that proper work situation for yourself, which will progress in a positive way. So you are trying your level best, putting in lot of efforts. And I also see that maybe for some of you, you may have your intuition, a sharp intuition to it today, guiding you towards something. If that happens, you need to listen to it, guys. You need to listen to your intuition, and you may feel inspired to take up something. If that is the case, you can go forward towards that path. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Anchor. So with this card, I see that though you are putting in lot of efforts and troubles, it is going to be a really tough time for you, but something good is also coming out of it. You may proceed in a positive way today, guys, towards some goal. You are seeing the glimpses of that success today. So some small success has come to you and you are celebrating it. It may be a beginning of a new project or something new in your career. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Scythe. So with this card, Sagittarius, I see maybe this may be the reason for that. With the previous cards, we got that energy that something is not in your control. So that the reason may be with this card. So in your relationship, things are out of control, guys. So with this person, you don't have a say, or they cannot tell anything to you, they cannot suggest you anything, express themselves. So it is like hitting that wall, a ball hitting that wall and bouncing back to you. So they are not ready to accept whatever you are saying. They are not ready to accept this love, and they don't want to work towards that understanding, maybe. So maybe for some of you, I see separation from this person. Maybe it may be a temporary separation. You may take a temporary break to clear things out. Maybe you had some arguments or some stressful situations. That may be the reason for this card here, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.